welcome to part 2 of this video. If you have not seen part 1, then please go to part 1 and see that video, then come back to this video. So guys, in part 1 I already said that we have visited Pedong. So now we in the next day now we are going to Silarigao. We have reached Silarigao. So the view is really extremely nice view. This is now I'm showing you the full view of this Silarigao. From Silarigao, now we are visiting Rishikola. Our car is now stuck in a traffic jam. You can see, I am showing you. You can see guys, it is fully tracked in a traffic jam. Playing with water at Rishikola, now we have came to another spot that is in a monastery type. It's a temple. So this temple is Bisai Binak. So guys, this temple is really very nice and very beautiful. So I'm showing you the full scenery of this temple. Okay. Directly came to our homestay. This is our homestay. Now we had already finished our lunch. Now we are visiting another viewpoint, that is
Arital Lake.
Arital Lake. So now we are visiting there. Reached Arital Valley, so now we are going to Monkey viewpoint. Now we will trek. By trekking we will go, so you can see the stairs. You can see. Trekking, I have reached now in the Monkey point. Now I'm showing you the view. Really, it is very beautiful view. A very important, most important feature, that from this mountain viewpoint we can also see the peak of Kanchenjunga. So now I am showing you the view. Beautiful, marvelous view it is. From Monkey viewpoint, we have came to Arital Lake. This lake is also a very famous spot of Sikkim. So guys, now I'm showing you the beautiful scenes and marvelous they are. The beautiful scenes of Arital Lake. Aritar Lake, we will go back to our homestay and there we will rest. Today we will not visit any more further viewpoints. To finishing our dinner in the hotel, we have came just for a night walk. We are enjoying a lot here. This is our day 2. Now it's fully night in these, means fully dark in these areas. As you know, it's mountainous area. Only there is light in front of our hotel. Again, full dark. Just we will walk for some moments, for just little bit we will walk and then we will go back to our hotel. So guys, we are enjoying. You also please visit this Arita. So please visit Arita. After night stay, we have came back to our homestay. Now it is 11 o'clock. So now we are going off to bed. This is how our day 2 has finished. So guys, I am ending the video here of part 2.